Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm at the Mplify Member Summit EMEA in Lisbon, and today I'm joined by two industry superstars, Franck Morales and Daniele Mancuso, co-CEO of Mplify. So guys, I think we all agree the industry is evolving really fast at the moment. What do you think are the biggest shifts shaping the industry?
Without any doubt, AI is probably the most important shift in the industry. But then AI is so broad that we need to focus maybe a bit. What we are seeing today is AI is, first of all, impacting a lot of demand in terms of capacity. First from hyperscaler for sure, but then neoscaler and enterprise are starting. But all this will ended up with a new way of distributing, being able to transport to make sure about the transaction, the identity of the people that are going to connect within this AI world, and is somehow a major shift. I'm used to say that we were in a certain point obliged to do a kind of supply chain for the digital activities. With AI, the industry is now obliged somehow to create this supply chain, and this implies a lot of challenges that we have to tackle.
And I guess Mplify has gone through a major transformation as well in the last year. What's the biggest vision behind this evolution?
As Frank said, the industry is moving towards AI in a massive way, and Mplify had to find its place in this new world, in this new economy. So, of course, we started from solid basis, recognizing what Nana and the other executive had built in the last 20 years. But we are in a kind of third stage of the industry. At the beginning, our industry connected people, then applications with the cloud advent, and now increasingly autonomous systems, machines, agents. So Mplify had to refound itself in order to be ready to tackle this further challenge. We did it choosing, first of all, a new brand, a new amazing word, because in the AI economy, everything is moving fast, everything is moving with a multiplication. So multiply, amplify, AI. And of course, we are refounding not just the brand, but also the way we work, the way we feel the industry is changing, and the way we feel the alliance is changing. We are not defining anymore ourselves as a standard development organization. We are still an SDO, but we are much more. We talk about business, we talk about strategic decision, we talk about how we are engaging members in transforming themselves and building the supply chain that Frank was talking about.
Okay. And what are the key priorities you want to accelerate at the organization?
First of all, we have defined back in, and we have announced back in November in Dallas at GNE, our AI strategy. So we are very clear on the fact that we first need to address the connectivity topic. It's absolutely clear. Our customers, all the actors, all the AI economy, the AI ecosystem is waiting for that. So this one we want absolutely to accelerate. And this morning at the event we have presented somehow the V.1 of this strategy on AI. And of course it incorporate much more all the element around the agentic AI and the agent in order to connect, to be able to discover and connect and ease this connection towards all the ecosystem, and to consume in a different manner all the assets and what has been built along the way by MEF and now Mplify. That's one point, and we have taken the decision during these 2 days to move forward and accelerate strongly on building the federation. As I said before, it's absolutely key to create this AI supply chain and make sure that if someone is looking for something specific in a given geography, with an agent, he will be able to discover what all the members of Mplify can provide, can offer, and then we put this demand in contact with the right service providers. And this is absolutely key for us to move forward into that direction.
So if we look into the future, if you look into Daniele's crystal ball 3 to 5 years down the line, what would we see when we look at Mplify? What does success look like?
Okay, so if I tackle the question from a strategic endpoint, I would like to see Mplify fully recognized as the AI industry body that is driving the adoption of and is guiding the industry in the AI economy. If we take it one level down, what we should do? We should basically implement what will be the federation idea. We approved the plan, so until Boston we are going to build a roadmap. In 3 years I would like the federation up and running with several use cases already interconnected. So starting of course from carrier Ethernet, which is our bread and butter, but see many other payloads that are being announced and automated through the usage of this federated catalog. The second one is to see Mplify moving and transforming completely in a AI native organization. There is a lot of work that is being done beyond the strategy and the vision of Pascal, but at the level of the CPO, Daniel, and of the committee work groups. There is this new philosophy that we call strategic rethink, whereby we don't work anymore as an old SDO, but in sprints. So projects are going to be promoted, activated, and executed with much more speed. This means that even the artifacts, the way we build the artifacts, the way we utilize AI needs to change. We are going to abandon Word and PDF document. We are moving in the world of Markdown. We are going to activate certification for AI after the transition to the MEF 3.0 carrier Ethernet to the Mplify carrier Ethernet for business. So I would like to see all these things up and running, all this initiative at a certain level of maturity and completion. And certainly this will help position Mplify as the central body in the AI economy.
Thank you for a great interview, guys.
Thank you for this interview, Isabel.
Thank you very much. Appreciated to be here with you.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next Mplify HOTShot.